Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to change net colors in our PCB design. By default, the color of a net follows the layer color. For example, on the top layer it shows us as red. If we switch to the bottom layer by holding the B key to toggle, it automatically changes to blue, which is the default color for the bottom layer. But in real design work, when you have a lot of components on the PCB, you will also end up with a lot of nets. If all these nets just follow the default colors, it becomes difficult to tell different signals apart. That's why we usually assign customer colors to the important nets, so we can highlight and manage them more easily. The process is pretty simple. On the left panel, go to Net and then open Net Classes. Here you are set that, by default, all nets are following the system colors. For example, I will change the 5 power net to purple and the 3.3 power net to ice blue. Now, when we switch back to the top layer, we can clearly see the distribution of these different power nets. Later on, during layout and routing, it's much easier to distinguish between 5 and 3.3, which helps with the classification and optimization.